In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite your friends on CrushOn AI and earn coins through the process. Let's get started. First, open up any browser on your computer and go to the CrushOn AI website. Log into your account as usual. Once you're logged in, you'll see a section labeled Bonus. Go ahead and click on that. Now, scroll down a little and you'll find the option that says Invite Friends. Here, you'll see the invitation code that you can share with others. When you invite a new friend, they'll need to enter your code within 24 hours of their registration. Keep in mind, each user can only use one invitation code, and your code can be used to invite up to 10 people. To invite your friends, just copy the code by clicking the button next to it. Once it's copied, you can send it to your friends however you like, whether that's through text, email, or social media. If 10 people successfully join CrushOn AI using your invitation code, you'll be rewarded with 100 coins. This can be a great way to earn some extra coins while helping your friends join the platform. There's also an option for you to enter an invitation code from someone else. If a friend has shared their code with you, you can enter it in the same section. Just paste it in the space provided and click Claim. This will give you 100 coins as well. That's how you can easily invite your friends and earn coins on CrushOn AI. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.